Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You don't know, this is your girl Unruly Shawna. Yeah. First, I want to do a big up all of my viewers and my subscribers. Them big up on yourself. You don't know Unruly Shawna. Love you. Mwah. Yeah. Go on big up on the person. Go on big up Grizzly Boss and in team. Grizzly Boss, big up yourself, brother. Fire Blocks ever blazing and Craig, big up yourself. And big up Dogface Rasta culture. Big up yourself too. Okay guys, so me dey here, me I cook some food today. So I want to show you what me I cook today. So what me have in a pot here, I have broad bean, gungo and peas. You know, yeah, one different style is me I cook all of them together. So yes, all of this in a pot already. Yeah, my gungo and my peas. Yeah. So yes guys, what me I gonna do now? I'm gonna put my coconut mix inside of this. So yeah. So yes guys, me there here again. No a pot there, a bubble. And you know how hard me try to get coconut today, me just gonna get no coconut at all. So here what, me just gonna just go and bounce a coconut mix. That's what I say guys. Yeah. I just saw things set today. Can't get no coconut. So me just go and eat this. You see which one I use so guys? Grace, you know. Grace product. So, you know, me love Grace product thing. So, you know, big up Grace yeah man. Grace product is good to me. A real Jamaican top brand, top product thing, yeah. Don't know. So I cut it right now. And mix it up. Mix it up with little water. You see guys? Yeah man. So mix it up here. Grace pepper sauce, grace ketchup, grace mackerel, yo, anything in that grace, I mean that. Yeah, I tell you. See the guys? So you just mix out the powder, just like this. See it look like this? Yeah, you just mix it out properly. And then you pour it in a pot, right? See guys, yeah. They look pretty now guys. Yeah.
Action.
Okay guys, I guess we just put in the coconut mix. So what me I do now, me I make it go on boil for a little for 5 minutes or so. Just make it go on boil a little bit, yeah. Yeah man. Smell nice already. Yep. So what me I do now, me I go prepare up my scallion and my thyme and my onion and my ingredients that I go put in the pot. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. Yep. So yes guys, when me done prepare them here and it boils for the 5 minutes, then me go put in them here and then me go start do. You know me I do some curry goat, but guys me never did show you when me I season it up and whatever, but me I prepare right now. So when it's cooked up I will show you when me I put it down and all the ingredients and me I put inside of it, right? Yeah.
Yes, Unruly Shawna fans. I want a fisherman friend this I go down on the sea. You see it? So I look a cat this me a show now. You see me? In engine, bucket, and in gas tank. So the man cat bad. That's nothing normal. See style? Yeah, and them I'm bait. Yeah man, and them I'm put on in line. Yeah man. Fish then grab up, and them I fish then run down water sea. See them? Yeah man. I should have go down there with him and show him when he head off out to sea. Yeah man, I walk go down there with him man and show him when he head off out the water man. Yeah man. Sort out the thing and forward, Charlie. Yeah man, he head out now, my peeps. Yeah man. See it, he just want a proper look thing when he can show him thing pan, you see it? When he skill he make that one there over one look seabed still, you see it? Yeah man. So I go down there and show you when time I head off out to sea. Action.
Okay, yes guys, back to the cooking video because my video man left gone video. Fisherman, nothing wrong still. I'm going to bread name Charlie. I'm going to do more video with him also same way, so nothing wrong. So what I'm going to do now, I put in my ingredients in there. I put in onion, thyme, my pepper and my scallions. So yes guys, I want you comment down below and tell me how the pot look and which part I cooking video you like. Then I put also all purpose in there, Maggi. And I also like to chip a little bit of black pepper. So I'm going to make that boil a little bit now. I'm going to make the seasoning then when we just put in there cook. Yeah, so after I cook now, then I'm already put in my rice. And I'm going to show you when I put in my rice. Okay guys? So catch me back when I put in the rice. Alright?
Yes, back in general my peeps. I bring in boat and I put on the engine. To head out to sea, you know? I look some evening fish. So what you do there, sponge, Charlie? Ah. You say rest the line for them?
I just say line and latch down.
Oh, in them look corner there?
Yeah.
So you just put the ball of line down in them crease there?
Yeah, and push this to the part and tie.
Okay.
It's not taking away.
Yeah. So 4 line you use same time?
6.
6?
Yeah, like how you breathe, you have to use 4.
Oh, like how you breathe, you know? Okay.
6 line and 6 stand there like that.
Oh, yeah. Each seat have 2 penny. Yeah. Seat have peeps. Yeah, man. The gas tank that Charlie. Yeah. So I gas tank. So what them the fan out, Charlie? Okay. Yeah. Have to make sure you clamp up good on the boat.
I have to tie again.
Yeah. So all of that is still can drop off?
No?
Oh. When you tie it, that's a surety.
Yeah, man, when you put it bolt in, you bolt it,
Yeah.
can't come out.
Oh.
I'm going to clamp it again with 2 clamps upon the engine, you know. And clamp up it.
So what that thing there now, Charlie?
Hose. Knife on the tank. And get gas to the engine.
Seal. So that's actually the gas line.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, my people, Charlie make this about of himself, you know. Yeah, man, unruly people, them, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah, time now. Time now. Time.
So what them call them two stick there, Charlie?
Rika. Rika.
Yeah.
A pin, you know. A pin the line in ice, so when you drive, the fish have to tear it down out of pin and it fly and you hold him and draw him in. Yeah, man.
Yeah. So them there the fishing line.
Yeah. Have to keep them down when we lick you down, you know. Tie them down. We lick you down with them. Mash down. Tie them down.
So you make them the ball there.
Yeah, man.
So what test line they on them there?
115. It's a 115. And it's a 115 same way.
Yeah. So 4 of them they are going to use out there?
Yeah, man, 4 lines. Sometimes you use 6. You use run 6 lines.
Yeah man, this is how Charlie line up in thing for the sea people. Yeah man. Yeah man, Unruly Shawna man, big up yourself. No, we are do it for her, you know. We are give her on and make that one possible so she can get that little video here because she's still up there cooking us, so we'll go back to catch back that. So we just watch Charlie and set up the thing and head off a sea and then we will catch back and roll the shot and while cooking. See it? Yeah. Earlier on me that showing us them thing, you know, the bait them. Yeah man, so I hook them up there now. So what they on them there?
That is?
Artificial
bait, man. Look at it run like a fish in water. You see?
Yeah.
They throw it in water, give some more length, so you see. Watch it. They throw it out, and the boat a drive, so the bait a run in the water.
Yeah. Yeah. So the fish then attract to them pretty color there.
Yeah.
Real Jamaican style, you know.
Okay guys, so yeah, I'm gonna put the rice in that pot right now. Sorry, you must look at this. So yeah, when that come down now and dry out, I'm going to show you the ending part of the rice. And now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to prepare up the ingredients for it. Alright, so catch me when I'm going to cook it down. Alright? Well,
Yes! Right now, this is Manuel Walsh representing Unruly Shawna, and you want to see we have to deal with the rice and peas and things, so you just keep subscribing, you see man? Saying out and in, and you know.
Like, comment, share and subscribe to your channel. So right now, I'm going to put in the ingredients in the curry goat so yes sir. And right after this, you don't know we're going to escort the fish then. So I'm cut up in this already. Irish, carrots, scallion and thyme, garlic, and my onion. And you don't know, we have to have thyme and pepper. Yeah, we love everything spicy. You see it? Some background music.
Joy for my people, freedom for my people, peace for my people, one love for my people, peace for my people, freedom for my people. Come on down, come and get with me.
A little bit more, and then we show you, yeah,
Come on down,
after
get your hand with me. Come on
Alright, my piece. I'm sure now I go and unroll pattern.
Ready.
Action.
Okay, yes, some people. So what I'm gonna be doing, I have some fish right here, so I have some fish right here, so I season up. See back here when me just take them out of. Me have it seasoned up for about 3 days now. So yeah, me gonna fry them. Me gonna escovitch them. So yes, these are the fish, jacan, whatever. Yeah. So me have them at children and packet now. And then when I go to put the ingredients now, I'm going to use to fry the fish.
What you say?
Okay, so I'm going to put my ingredients in the fire. And then I put some pepper. And some of them fry my fish, you know? So yes guys, we just want to get
Yeah,
we just want to hot a little bit more and then we start putting the fish. So yes, come on.
go on.
Alright, fish. So yes guys, when I made them fry, and I will slowly escalate them and make a few tomato sauce. When I fry my fish then with love garlic and pepper, skillet and you know all the ingredients you see in there. I know some love fry my fish because I love this fish. I love that. Yeah. Yeah. So yes guys. When we turn them and stuff, I'm gonna make a fish. Guys, this is the finishing product of the food I was cooking today. I don't play draw note and stuff, so I never get to escovitch the fish, but I will show you that in our next video. Escovitch fish and so on. So this is the finishing product. So I have here the rice and peas, veg, curry goat, and fried fish. This is a piece of jackfish. So yes guys, that's the finishing product. So it's time for me to go and eat. So remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Okay, guys, bless up on yourself. I'm out.